Good morning, everybody. As I said yesterday, I'm going to show you how to make some microwave popcorn today. So, first thing you got to do is take the popcorn brown bag out of the plastic bag. Okay, so take the plastic off, and we're going to open it up, and we're going to look at that side with all the words on it. And we are looking for the amount of time. And it is number 3 down here, says set cooking time for 1 minute 45 seconds. So we are going to put it in our microwave with the words face up, just like that. And then we are going to set this for 1, 4, 5. Now your numbers might be different on your bag depending on what kind of popcorn you're using. Then I'm going to hit start, and it's going to run for 1 minute 45. Okay. Now you also have to listen for the popping of the popcorn. So as it's popping, if it stops popping before the time runs out, we have to stop the microwave. But with this popcorn, it usually does keep popping until the end. So we'll listen and we'll wait and see how long it takes. While we're waiting, I'm going to go throw out my plastic film. Hear it maybe. Now you can hear that it's slowing down, but it's still popping. So if 2 or 3 seconds go by without any pops, that's when we stop it. One. Still popping. We'll let it run out. So our popcorn is done. We will open the microwave, shake it up. We're going to let it sit for a little bit because it's got to cool off, okay? If you open it right away, it's really hot and the steam from inside the bag could burn you. And so shake it up. You can see there's still steam coming out. All right. Then when we open it, we grab this corner and that corner and you just pull them apart like that. And then you grab this corner and that corner that are on opposite sides and pull it apart. And you got your nice, light, fluffy popcorn. So if you guys want to make popcorn before the movie today, there's how. And enjoy.